What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and I know I've been gone for a minute. I've been really busy, been doing a lot of family things, but I do have something for you, and this is going to be the deposition of me deposing Officer Kuncas from Bell Harbor. I want to give a huge shout out to Jeff Kerr. You know who you are, brother. Thank you so much. What you've done for this channel and the donations that you've made to this channel it helps me continue what's going on in this deposition and the stuff that's going to follow. So I can't say thank you to all of you, but Jeff Kerr, you are a huge supporter, and you've done some huge numbers, and you never had to do that. A lot of people have donated, but you threw some really big numbers in there, and I can't say thank you enough. So a lot of these depositions are specifically saying thank you to you. So thank you, Jeff, and don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, and make sure that you take your blood pressure medication before you watch this video. So I'm out of here. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Soliaker. Deuce. Was I carrying my firearm lawfully in the state of Florida?
Yes. Although you refuse to assist me in determining that with surety.
Okay. Once again, I come back to the Fourth Amendment in 901-151. Do you believe I have civil rights?
Yes, you have civil rights.
Do you believe you violated my civil rights?
No, I don't agree.
Scott, I'm not sure if you have like little neck movement or something. Please try not to move your head. Please let your client answer.
I'm working on multiple screens here, so my head's gonna be moving all the time.
Do you believe I have civil rights?
Yes, you have civil rights.
Do you believe you violated my civil rights?
No, I don't agree.
Scott, I'm not sure if you have like little neck movement or something. Please try not to move your head. Please let your client answer.
I'm working on multiple screens here, so my head's gonna be moving all the time.
I'm trying to pay attention to him, but I'm also trying to pay attention to you. And when I asked that question, I kind of saw something that I didn't really like. But I'll move forward from that. I'm not going to keep beating a dead horse.